Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Sly YouTube channel. So, after a long time, we are pitching back to Neoload, and I recently have faced an issue. So, I just wanted to check with you as well whether you have faced this issue, and if you have faced this issue and you have successfully resolved it, I'm really happy. But in case if you have not resolved it, or in case if you're looking for a solution, then this is a video for you. So what happened is when I was like trying to record a script with Edge, so it did really work well. I mean, like I don't find any issues. I get to see the screen. So just to let you know, this is the screen that you must need to get uh, if your proxy settings and everything is working fine. So this is the screen that you should get. And for Edge, actually did really worked very well. I do not find any problems, any issues with this. But what happened was when I was like trying to fix, when I was like trying to create a script with Chrome. So what happened is when I was like trying to record, I get to see this screen that is the proxy configuration failed, and it has asked me like, did you restart the Firefox? Which obviously is not. I mean, like I don't have nothing to do with the Firefox. And are you recording from mobile device? No, I'm not. Not recording from mobile device, but I'm recording from my system. And it tells me to do this, try the manual configuration. So this issue, if you just face it, this issue, uh, what did you do? And just let me know in the comment section. Just how did you fix it? And again, just let you know, this is the proxy section which I have faced. So I'm using the direct proxy, so there's nothing to configure. So in case if you have found out like how did you fix this, please do let me know in the comment section. We are going to see how did I fix this video in the next video. How did I fix this issue in the next video? And yeah, just to let you know, we are going to have our Neoload free bootcamp this weekend, and I will share you the timings and the syllabus, like what are the topics that we're going to cover very soon. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, please do join the WhatsApp channel. I'm sharing lots of information there. So see you all very soon in the Neoload bootcamp. And yeah, okay. So coming back to this video. Uh, Yesterday you were seeing about this challenge, so I just wanted to let you know like how did I fix this. So here we have got a clue, right? So it tells us that try the manual configuration. So the automatic proxy configuration may have failed. Yes, obviously it has failed because although it is taking from the system, it obviously have failed. So it tells me that set manually to localhost 8090 as the proxy settings for your browser, and restore the original proxy settings after the recordings. So your browser already uses a proxy, and if a proxy is required to reach a tested application, configure the proxy settings in the Neoload preference. So what did I do is, so two things. One is if I go to my Neoload, or let me quickly stop this one. So, but before that, let me just copy this to make sure I'm not missing it. And let me stop this one. And before that, I just have to go to the application proxy and the application proxy. So let me just stop my recording and I'll go back to my settings section here in the help and the license management and the proxy. So here you can see the application proxy. So this is the one thing that I have to set. So there are two things. One is the internet proxy and the other one is the application proxy. And I have chosen Chrome as my proxy for this. So if I go to my Chrome, I'll click on edit, and here I haven't set anything, which is I have set it as automatically detect the settings, which means this settings will be taken from the system's settings. So what I'll do is, and before that, let me just show you in the HTTP recorder. So we just have 8090 as the port number. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my Chrome. Let me open the Chrome in my machine. And once I open it, let me go to the settings section, and in the settings section, let me open the proxy part. So in the proxy, it tells me to manage. I mean, this has been managed by the proxy switcher. So in the manual proxy, I will have to choose localhost in 8090. So if I choose it, then automatically this will work. So what I'll do is manual proxy. Yep. So I have chosen manual proxy, which is like localhost 8090. So localhost is going to be my host, and then 8090 is going to be the port number which I'm going to use, and then I'm going to use this for my HTTP, SSL, and FTP. So for all the proxy types, and make sure I have chosen this for the server type, which is HTTP, and yeah, that should be fine. And what I'll do now is let me close the browser and click on the recording button, and let me click on OK. Click on continue again, and now yep. So as I have showed you in the Edge browser, so if you're getting this one, that is a Neoload recording, please enter your URL to start recording, and the latest recorded URL is here. So if you do this, then automatically you are good to start your recording. So yep, that's the one which I wanted to share with you. And if you have faced this issue, this is the solution for you. Just fix your proxy thing in your browser and in your Neoload tool. So that should fix all the issues for you. And yep, with that, I come to the end of the video. And yeah, just to let you know, we are having a Neoload bootcamp this weekend. I'll share you the timings and the syllabus very soon. See you all in the bootcamp, and thank you so much. And take care and bye bye.